Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Litecoin. Litecoin has broken down a very significant support that we were watching in my previous videos as well. That was at $100 and now we are moving at the support of $65. And in today's video, we will take a look whether Litecoin will be able to start the next reversal from this support of a very big falling wedge pattern or not. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me to show you this very big falling wedge pattern and that Litecoin has formed on this weekly time frame chart. And by the way, this was another very strong support that we had here back in the month of December 2021, but finally we broke it down. And you can see previously it has been breaking as a support here, as a support here, and as a support here as well. Then we had this $100 very significant support that was breaking as a support here and as a support here for several weeks. And here it was breaking, sorry, this is $140 here, $100 was breaking as a resistance. And the next support we have here right now, we are at that support is at $65, and previously it had been breaking as a resistance here and as a resistance here as well. And if Litecoin breaks down this support of $65, then we will have the next key support here at $40. There is no significant support, major support or long-term support on this weekly time frame chart between $65 to $40. You can see it worked as a support here, this $40, and also as a support here as well, as a support here, and almost as a support here as well. And here it was breaking as a resistance back in December 2018. So right now we are moving above this support of $65, even though we had a spike here up to $54 or $55. And here we had the support of a very big falling wedge pattern. Therefore the price line respected that support and it is bounced from there. Let me show you this bounce on the daily time frame chart. We can see that it moved there, and now you can see that the candlesticks are getting accumulated above the support of $65. Now let's move back to the weekly time frame chart, and here I want to show you a very big news. If you watch stochastic here, this is the stochastic oscillator that is completely oversold. And the big news is that we have a very big bullish divergence on this weekly time frame. You can see that stochastic it has formed this low, and the recent low is higher than previous one. And if you take a look at the price line above this stochastic, then price line formed this low here, and the next low is lower than previous one. So there is a very big bullish divergence flashed on this weekly time frame. At the same time, we are having the support of this very big falling wedge pattern as well. Okay, here you can see we have a very big gap. We have a touch point here on the weekly time frame. We have touch point here and here and here as well. Then we have several touch points at the resistance, and before that we had 2 touch points here. And the reason for this gap is you can see that here price line has found another support, and this is forming another down channel within this falling wedge pattern that has been started here back in August 2021 on the daily time frame. The zigzag move between this down channel will be more visible. Let me remove the support of the wedge, and now you can see that it was bounced here again, almost bounced here as well, and we had another bounce, and right now the candlesticks are being accumulated above the support of this down channel. So this support is the reason that is not letting the price line to move down to this support. And right now even you can see that when we tested the support of the wedge, the price line recovered very soon, and again we entered the same channel. This channel is not broken down, and it is also possible that from here some accumulation, the price line will start the next reversal and try to break out the resistance of this bigger wedge and the down channel as well. The target for the down channel can be here at the top of the channel. That will be approximately at $200. And the target for the bigger falling wedge pattern can be here at the top of the wedge. That will be approximately at $380. Now let's take a look at the smaller time frame here. Like other top altcoins, Litecoin has also formed a triangle. This time it has formed an ascending triangle. On the other hand, Bitcoin has formed a descending triangle and moving inside the triangle. Recently we have another bounce by this support. Yesterday we were rejected, we moved down, tested the support here, and now we are getting bounced. And if we watch the Litecoin chart, this was the Bitcoin chart by the way, and now if we take a look at the Litecoin chart, the 4-hourly time frame, then we can see that here Litecoin has formed the ascending triangle, and now it is getting bounced from the support and moving towards the resistance. Now for example, if Litecoin breaks out the resistance of this triangle, then after the breakout, our next move can be here approximately at $83. Let me copy this trend line from here, and I'm just going to paste it here on this chart. Then you can see that it is showing us a very small move here up to $83, but I'm expecting that after this reversal and getting bounced, breaking out the resistance of this triangle, we may have a move up to the resistance of the triangle and this falling wedge, the bigger falling wedge on the weekly time frame. This time the resistance of the bigger falling wedge and this resistance of $100 are approximately at the same level. You can see it is slightly above this resistance. So if the candlestick moves here and breaks out the resistance of this down channel and also this bigger wedge as well, then it also needs to break out this $100 resistance. Then I'm expecting that we can expect a very big move and long-term rally after breaking out. However, this will remain very strong resistance. We also need to break out the $140 resistance as well. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.